Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a mock-up book. So if you have a book you're about to launch and you want to create a cover for it to actually advertise online, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make that very easy and straightforward. So if you have your book already, or if you've not designed your book, or your graphic designer has actually done that, let me start from the first step, which is to create the front cover. So how do you create the front cover? You can click on the word book cover. So if I click on the word book cover, okay, yes, thank you for the correction. And just choose anyone, or if I'm you, I can just go for the plain design. Then from the plain design, let me quickly do some scale here. So I have the front art elements or brushes, anyone I want to do. So brush, or let me search paint. Paint. So I'm going to title my book Art Art. This is actually one of my books that I have not actually released. Change the remember to use a lot of effects. To make your work very appealing, you need to make use of a lot of effects. So I have actually created a lot of videos on how to create effects, so you can easily go and watch those videos to learn. I think this is not bad. Wow. Okay, so this is what I have as my front cover, and front cover not bad. I can duplicate and create a back. Okay, I think sometimes on back cover I'll just do this. Can delete this and do a little of just. Yeah, the same pictures can also be used. Same picture. So this time I'm going to write my biography, this and that. Upload. I think I have a picture of mine somewhere. Or let me bring one of my lovely pictures. I think I just created one. I don't know. whether that one will even be that one should even be my favorite. Okay, it's around there. This will not you. Let me use you. So this is my I'll make it white. I think this is not even going to be bad for the and you know you can do some twisting. Let me use the opportunity to teach you. This is my plan for this. Okay, let me zoom in to do some, especially for this art. I want my hand to be on top while the other one come outside there. Very easy to do. What you are going to do is to duplicate it. So when you duplicate it, let me delete this. Now something happened. Okay. Okay. I delete this. Then the rest I'll bring them up. So how do you see it? Art, art, art. So the other one is at the back, while this is actually at the front. So let's see. So we assume this is our front page right now. I know some of you will laugh. Yes, I want to make the background whether darker or another thing I can actually do to the background. Background is very important. You need to work on your background very well before you create your design. So this is a book cover done on Canva by eBook. So at hats, and the only thing left is whether to use this as the back page. Yes, I'm not going to use this as the back page again. I'm just going to add my picture, use this smaller one somewhere, copy and information somewhere also. Okay, on my flyer, I'll buy it. Okay, I think my contact. So this is easy. I'm done. Make it white. So the first thing you are going to do is to download this. So download this as PNG. Nice. So PNG is image, whether JPEG or PNG, you are fine with any of those two. So after downloading, the next thing we are going to do, let me go and bring it's still downloading. Okay, I'm going to drag the image back again to Canva. I'm going to drag the image back again, so I'm at the back end, bringing the image. I'm at under my download right now. Okay, the image is coming. Sorry, I need to close this first. Where are you? Okay. I bring those two back. So then what I can do is to create the first one. I size it. So what I can do to this is to click on edit. When I click on edit, you will see the word smart mockup. Click on all. You will see so many mockup over here, and from here it is phone. There's the book. This is an example of book mockup, but I think this is not bad. Let's see. So there are several book mockup that you can use. This is book 6, and this is the one we are actually going, not that one at all. Loading right now. Book mockup. My book is ready. So this is the front page. Art, and anybody that actually sees this will be like, wow, how do you create this? So this is how to create it, very easy. Let me try using the back cover right now. The back cover. What do? We go to Mockup. I think right, drag down. Check all the mockup available. There are other ones also. These are other ones, and this is book again. If you want hand to hold your book, you can do that also. I think that is not going to be bad too. And I like this. This is a book. Okay, book 8. So somebody is holding this as a flyer right now. I think this. Okay, yeah, it's a book. So have you get your copy of art? You need a copy. So this is how to go about it. Very simple. Give it a try, and I'll be expecting you to get back to me on whether you find this video of interest or not. Remember to subscribe to our channel. My name is Odetola Ebenezer Israel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.